be prosecuting simple marijuana possession cases. That means if the person who's charged with Article 22105 of the penal law will no longer be prosecuted in Albany County moving forward, effective December 1st, 2018. It also means anyone with possession under 2 ounces as articulated in Article 221.10, a B misdemeanor, you will also not be prosecuted in Albany County. That's what it means. I now want to share with you what it doesn't mean. It does not mean that an individual can freely burn marijuana in public in the presence of other citizens and not expect to be prosecuted. Anyone openly smoking in Albany County will still be prosecuted by our office. It does not mean that you can operate a motor vehicle under the influence and not be prosecuted. One of the other announcements that I'm making here today is that we are applying DWAI's, driving while ability impaired, to our already formidable policy. In addition, anyone who is consuming marijuana, smoking marijuana in the presence of children, will also be prosecuted by this office. That is effective December 1st, 2018. As I've just stated, the 2 areas that remain of concern to our office is anyone in possession of marijuana, consuming marijuana in the presence of children or in public, as well as our roadways. To that effect, over the course of the last several months, we have been funding scholarship opportunities for people to receive training for enhanced roadside safeties, and when I say people, I mean members of our law enforcement community. Now, that is the present and the future. I want to talk a little bit about the past. There are a number of people in Albany County, as well as all throughout the state, who historically have been prosecuted for the offenses that we are now deciding not to move forward with. And for those people, I would direct them to the Albany County District Attorney website, specifically under our Clean Slate banner, and there they will take the opportunity to learn about how you can go about either having those records reopened, having them sealed, or in some instances having those records expunged. I would draw your attention to that particular page. I would also advise you to reach out to your attorneys and to have them reach out to our office. There are opportunities that exist for addressing those issues. Lastly, I will say this. What I've done here today in a matter of minutes is try to lay out for everyone here what the future of marijuana prosecutions look like in Albany County. And I understand that you may not have gotten all of the information that you desire. So as of December the 12th of this year, we will be at the Albany Public Library. For anyone with questions that are interested in hearing directly from me the thoughts that went into this process, the future of marijuana legislation as it's being now considered by our state legislature. There's a whole host of topics that we can engage in, and I would encourage people with questions in Albany to come to that event on the 12th at the Albany Public Library. And I'm also announcing that we will be continuing to engage our communities, as we will also be announcing other library engagements as we're moving from community to community in Albany County to provide